Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to edit a website created with Canva even after it has been published. If we need to update text, images, or any other content on our Canva website, we will walk you through each step on how to make those changes and republish it. Let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, to edit a published website, we just need to go to our settings. To do that, we simply click on our main profile. Then we click here and go to Settings. Inside Settings, we will go to Web Domains. We just need to click on Web Domains. Here, we will see our website. To edit it after publishing, we click View and then click Edit. Once we are here, we need to click the three dots to access the editing options. From there, we can edit the design, and we will be taken to the editing page of our website. We can make changes here, such as updating the text, backgrounds, or any other part of the website. Once we are done, we just click Publish Changes, and that's it. We have successfully edited our published Canva website. We can keep our site up to date anytime by making changes and republishing the design.